Hey, this video is for the guys over at Alpha Electric USA. My name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I'm shooting you this quick free custom video for your business, and it's basically going to be telling you how to get more customers online and how to beat out the competition. I hope you like what you see in this video. If you do, please give me a call. We can definitely talk. If not, no harm, no foul. I did do my research for you guys, so I'm going to be sharing it with you. With that, I'm going to be talking about 3 things in this video, which are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first, we're going to start off with the home page of your website, which I'll be talking about specifically in this video. So in 2021, Google wants to see at least 2,000 words of content on this home page. Now, obviously, the content should be keyword rich for the keywords you're targeting in your industry and your area. So the first thing I want to tell you is that you see your website comes up as not secure. Now, this is usually a free and immediate fix. So whoever is working on your website, you want to tell them to make sure your website's secure, because it's almost going to be not trusted by a lot of devices, so customers might not even be able to see it. So that's the first thing you have to do, make sure your website's secure. Secondly, as I go down, after this section right here, it's a big blank. So that's almost a big waste of space. It should obviously not have this much empty space here. So whoever's working on your website, I guess, needs to do some kind of updates on there. Secondly, I want to talk about citations. So a citation is basically any website where you can put your business information is, such as your name, address, and phone number for your business. Now that's going to count as one citation for you. The more you have, the better for your company, the better for your online presence. Now this is a tool that I use to see the competition and how many citations they have. So these are some of the top New York City electrical contractors, and some have 13, some have 19, some have 20. So you definitely want to have a lot of citations to get your name out there. Thirdly, I want to talk about something called backlinks, and for that I'll use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a tool that gives me all the information I need to know about any website's performance. So a backlink is any website out there which is pointing to your website, which is referring traffic to you, which is also giving you legitimacy in your space, in the electrical space in New York City. So far you have 38 backlinks from 6 referring domains, giving you 23 keywords that you're ranking for, and you're getting about 8 people coming to your website per month. Now, to give you a comparison on one of the top competitors in New York and how their results look like, this is them right here. So as you can see, it's a pretty big difference. They have 381 backlinks from 47 referring domains. They're ranking for 406 keywords, and they're getting about 500 to 600 traffic every single month to their website. Now that's obviously going to be leads and eventual customers. Another thing I'd like to show you is just a quick Google search that I did, electricians New York City. It's a pretty general search anybody would be doing when they're looking for an electric company. So the first thing people will see are these Google guaranteed ads. These are paid ads. Company has to go through a verification process with Google to get their self listed here, and that's the first thing the customer sees. After that, they see the traditional Google ads right here. Then we go down to the Google Map Pack, this one. It's a really great section to be on. They only show the top 3 on the first page of the Google search, and these top 3 are definitely the places to be on. So this is great because it works for mobile and home desktop or laptop. You can call the business directly from these. You can check their location. You can check their website, their phone number, all that's right there. After that, we go down to what's called the organic section. Now, sometimes this is littered with directories such as Yelp and Home Advisor and Angie's List, but in between these, you can also see the businesses and websites who have outranked everybody else and made it out to the first page, like these guys. So the first page, statistically speaking, gets 90% or 95% of the clicks. After that, the clicks die down by a lot. So your goal is to make sure you're on the first page. It's going to give you tremendous amounts of leads, which are going to lead to customers. And the last thing I want to show you is this one right here. This is your website. So it was made more than 10 years ago, and the last update to your website was done in 2020 in September. So you definitely want to make sure your website's always being updated and all the stuff is relevant. With that, that's just some information I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you liked the information you heard. If you like what you heard, give me a call. I have a plan of attack. We can work on it and make sure you guys reach the number one page of Google. Get yourself listed on the map pack. And the ultimate goal is to obviously get more leads, more sales. So with that, I'll leave you to it. I hope you guys like the video. I would appreciate any feedback, and I'll be getting in touch with you in a day or two to see what you guys thought about the video. You guys have a great day.